This 2021 Forest River Shockwave 24FS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Post Falls, Idaho, 83854 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Post Falls. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 86 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.